Good morning all of you. I hope all are fine. Okay, let's we have to go to our lesson. That is lesson number 4, our food. Is it? Our food. In this lesson already we were discussing in the previous class. That is the different types of cooking. And that means that is steaming, boiling, frying, and then roasting, baking. All things we were discussed in the previous class. Next we have to go on that and learn which utensils we have to use to cook in the food. What are the utensils? What are the utensils to cook in the food? You know, in your home also your parents are cooking the food. Your mother and then grandmother all ones are preparing the food. Which type of utensils they are using to cook the food? Did you watch it? Something that you all also know. What are the different vessels, utensils means what are the different vessels they are using to cook the food. And then we have to go to the page number 41 and we have to see the different pictures also in the textbook. Okay, and what are the utensils? You have to see the pressure cooker. Okay, wok. Is this in your home? Yes, I hope all things are there in your home. And then here you have to see the cooking pot. What is this? A cooking pot. And then frying pan, means a flat pan. Next one is the shallow frying pan. Shallow frying pan. And the next deep frying pan. Like this different types of utensils we are used to cook the food. And then here pressure cooker. First one is that whatever utensils, first one is a pressure cooker. Is it? Pressure cooker. And which purpose we are using the pressure cooker? You all also using the pressure cooker. Okay, to boiling the rice as well as to cook the pulses, means that green gram and the red gram, like that rajma, like that different pulses are there, that is take too much time to cook it. So we are using the pressure cooker. It is used for the steaming as well as the boiling. And the next one we have to use the wok. What is a wok? And the wok is a large bowl shaped utensil used for frying vegetable, meat and fish. We know that a wok is a deep frying pan. Even if we need to make the sabji or we need to make the fry or we need to make the curry or anything, and we are using the wok. Okay? And the next one we have to see the pot. And a pot is used for steaming and boiling. Which purpose we are using? Pot is used for steaming and boiling the food, milk, vegetables, meat, fish and rice. Okay, even we are using the lid also, we are closing that pot and then we are keeping on the fridge and then boiling or steaming the food purpose we are using the pot. Okay, and the next one is the pan. Different types of pan we are using at home. Different types of pan are there, and one is a flat tawa. Which purpose we are using the flat tawa, you know very well. And the next one is like a shallow frying pan. Shallow frying pan. And then deep frying pan. Like this different tawa also we are used to cook the food. And then which purpose we are using the flat tawa? To make the chapati or roti purpose we are using the flat tawa. Okay? Which purpose we are using? To make the chapati or roti purpose we are using the flat tawa. And then here there are three types of frying pans are the flat tawa, shallow frying pans and deep frying pans. A flat tawa is used to make chapati and dosha. A shallow frying pan is used to cook cutlets and stir-fry vegetables. A deep frying pan is used to fry meat or fish. It is also used to fry potatoes and make samosa and puris. As we have to go, flat tawa is used to make the chapati, dosha or roti. Okay? And then shallow frying pan. Shallow fry, just we are applying the oil and then frying. Even vegetables frying purpose or potato frying purpose and then any other vegetable means even just hot purpose we are using that which one shallow frying pan. Okay? And the deep frying pan, if we need to eat the samosa or puri and then we need to pour more oil into the pot, so there is more oil here. And what we are put in the oil, that one want to submerge the oil. And we have to get it a very crispy or tasty food from this deep frying pan. Okay, and that purpose we are using the deep frying pan, especially to make either puri and then samosa, same like fish fry or any other vegetables frying or other purpose we are using the deep frying pan. We can't do the deep fry by using the flat tawa because we are not using that much oil. Oil will be overflow and then go on to the stove also. Okay, and then at that time we are using the deep frying pan. Okay, and the next one is here. Name the method of cooking used for each of these food items. This textbook I am already given this one into the Google class, and here name the method of cooking used for each of these food items. First one, you know that one, rice. Okay, what method we had to use? We had to use the boiling. We are boiling the rice and we had to get the chawal. And the next one, samosa. Okay, this is we are using the deep fry. So that purpose we are using the deep frying pan. This one only we are using. Okay, and the next one, page number 42. This is a bread. Bread, how we had to make? This make by using baking. And then here paneer tikka, that's your favorite one. How we had to make? And then this is a roasting. Okay, here bread is baking, here paneer tikka is roasting, and then next to here we know that rice is making by using the boiling, and then samosa is frying. These are the different methods to cook the food. The next page, page number 42. The cooking appliances and fuels. What are the cooking appliances we had to use to cook the food? What are the different cooking appliances? And then you know the cooking appliances. What we have to use to cook the food? We have already said what the utensils we have to use to cook the food. Again, appliances for fuel we need to use to cook the food. And then here you have to see the people are used different kinds of fuels and cooking appliances to cook food. And then whenever you are going to the village, you have to see the chula. Okay, can you see? Chula. And then next you have to see the tandoor. Okay, and then next appliances is there in your house also you have to see this one. This is a kerosene stove. And the next one is in your home is that one gas stove. Okay, next one is the solar cooker. Next one is a microwave oven. Like this appliances, okay, like this electronic and non-electronic appliances we are used to cook the food. First one is a chula. Did you see the chula? And we can't see that our town. Whenever we are going to the village, grandfather's home or any other relative's home is there in the village, we have to see the chula. And they are using the wooden piece and then they have burned that one and then make that food. Okay, very tasty one. In a very early time there is no gas stove and there is no kerosene stove and other means that microwave oven, anything not do. But in that time also we were cooking the food by using that chula. Okay, and then here a chula is a stove. What is a chula? Chula is a stove made out of bricks or mud. How we have to make the chula? Chula is a particular type of a stove or it is made by the mud or bricks. Wood, cow dung cakes or charcoal are used as a fuel in this chula. What we are using? We are using the wooden piece and the charcoal we are using and then cow dung. They are making that as a cake like that one things and then they are putting into the chula and then we have to get the water. Like that things they are using and then prepare that food. Okay, and then they are using chula to cook the food. Which one is using the fuel as a fuel like it? You know that which one is it? Wooden piece and then cow dung, charcoal or things they are used and then make the food. And the second one is tandoor. Now also whenever we are going to the dhaba or any other place, We are using that oven, microwave oven using. And same like function is doing that in tandoor. It is a particular type of an oven by using, they are making by using clay. Okay, this is known as a clay oven. And then fuel such as wood and charcoal are used to heat a tandoor. What they are using as a fuel in the tandoor? Wooden piece as well as the charcoals, they are used as a fuel. Okay, and then the tandoor is one of the oldest traditional oven. Now we are using the microwave oven. This is a modern oven. Okay, but this is a very old time the people are using as an oven. So it is known as the traditional oven. What is it? This is known as a traditional oven. Okay. Next one is a kerosene stove. Did you see the kerosene stove? Yes, of course you are seeing that a kerosene stove. Sometimes your house also the stove gas cylinder gas finish, and then there is this other way we need to prepare the food, and we are depending to the kerosene stove. Even if a power not there, morning time heater anything not working. At that time also we are using, sometimes some people are using the kerosene stove. And the two types of commonly used stoves are kerosene stove and then gas stoves. Somebody is now also using that kerosene stove to cook the food. And then kerosene is used as a fuel. Next one is that gas stove. Kerosene stove, and then next one is a gas stove. That is very famous, and then you know very well in your house, your parents also prepare. You are also preparing the food by using the gas stove. Okay, and then gas stoves are used in many houses for cooking. The cylinder, which is the source of fuel, is filled with liquefied petroleum gas. We are using the LPG. What is the full form of the LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. And we are using in the gas stove LPG as a fuel. And then the fuel LPG flows from the cylinder to the stove through the tube. We know that a tube is connecting from the cylinder to the gas stove. Through that tube where the gas is moving, and then we are using that gas cylinder and then prepare the food. And the next one is that nowadays environment friendly appliances such as solar cookers also used. They use direct sunlight to heat or cook. We know that nowadays it will protecting of that our environment purpose, we are using the solar cooker. Okay, by using the direct sunlight and then prepare the food. And then but lot of meals are there as well as demerits. If there is no sunlight, it is not working. At night time also it is not working. But it is very good for, no need to use the wooden base or cow dung or any other gas, even LPG, kerosene, nothing. We no need to use that in the solar cooker. But we have to prepare the food. That is known as the solar cooker. And the next one, microwave oven also. Okay, this is a microwave oven, and then we are using the electricity and then preparing the very delicious cake, biscuits, and then some puffs, like the different, whatever may be your wish, like that different things we are preparing by using the microwave oven. Okay, and then now you know very well what are the different appliances we are using to make the food. What are the different appliances? What are the different appliances to make the food? The different appliances. First one is a chula. Okay. Next one is a tandoor. And then kerosene stoves, gas, solar cooker, microwave ovens. These all appliances we are using to cook the food. What are the different appliances? Solar cooker. Just I am showing the picture to you. Even what are the different pots, mixer utensils we have to use to cook the food, and then have to see. These are the different utensils. Okay, and then next you have to see the different appliances. Okay, is it clear? This is known as a chula. Okay, and then next this is also chula. What is this? This is a tandoor. Okay, this is also tandoor. And then here you have to see the kerosene stove. Okay, this is a kerosene stove. What is this? Okay, this is so famous, and then you know very well this is a gas stove. Okay, and then next one here, where this one is kept, this is an outside, so that one is directly absorb the sunlight. So you know that this is a solar cooker. Okay, next one. Then this is also is there in your home, and then what is this? This is a microwave oven. Okay. Then our lesson is finished. That is our food. In this our food we learn about what are the different methods to cook the food. Second one, what utensils we had to use to cook the food. And the next one, what are the appliances we had to use to cook the food. Okay.